Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the eARC-201 2-port eARC splitter. This product was designed to make it incredibly easy for you to connect any HDMI media stream that's either ARC or eARC compliant to two different soundbars, two home stereos, or two amplifier systems at the same time. The product fully supports the older ARC standard and the newer eARC standard, which means it works well with a wide range of different audio codecs. It also provides full CEC pass-through, which means you can use a single remote control to adjust the volume on both of your output devices at the same time. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use the product. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how easy this product will be to use with your own equipment. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the eARC-201. You'll find a single 5-volt 1-amp DC power supply. You can simply plug this end into any standard wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs directly into the rear of the unit and provides all the power you'll need for operation. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other good information about the product that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. This product features a full metal enclosure, which makes it incredibly durable and a great choice for both residential or even commercial installations. On either side of the cabinet, you'll find these ventilation slots that are really designed to let any heat that develops during operation escape to keep the electronics inside at a very comfortable temperature. On the front of the unit, starting on the left, is a power indicator. Once you add power to the module, it immediately starts an internal power on self-test where it checks the electronics, and once it passes that test, it'll light that LED letting you know it's ready to use. To the right of that is an input indicator. When you connect this to the media device using an HDMI cable, that connection is checked, and once it's been verified, this LED will come on indicating a solid connection. To the right of that are two output indicators. When you connect this up to your two soundbars or home stereos, those HDMI cables are checked. Once they've been verified, these two indicators will come on, again letting you know you have a solid connection to those devices. Under normal operation, all four of these LEDs should be on. To the right of that is a USB-C port labeled Service, and that's used for updating firmware on the module later on if needed. And to complete that upgrade, you can simply connect this to a local computer and move the new firmware file over to the module. On the rear of the units, where you'll make all your connections, starting on the left, you'll find two full-sized HDMI ports labeled Output 1 and Output 2. These are used for connecting your two soundbars or home stereos to the media device. To the right of that is another full-sized HDMI port labeled TV eARC In. This connects to your media device, and again, it's important to use three high-performance HDMI cables for these connections to ensure the best quality audio. And finally, to the right of that is a power port, and that's used with the included power supply. You'll simply plug that power supply into a wall outlet. The other end of the cable has a barrel connection on it, which plugs in right there and provides all the power you'll need for operation. The OREI eARC-201 is compatible with most modern HDMI media sources, including digital projectors, game consoles, media players like Apple TV, computer systems, and streaming devices. The product's features include full ARC and eARC support. For eARC audio, it offers LPCM, Dolby, DTS, and DSD. And for ARC audio, it features PCM 2.0 and DTS 5.1. It also provides full CEC volume control and offers a compact, plug-and-play design that's easy to use both in a home and a commercial installation. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own equipment. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a small media player that's currently looping a video on this monitor, and there's an audio track in the background that you can hear playing through the speaker in the monitor, and that's the audio I'd like to pass along to my two soundbars using the eARC-201. Now the first connection I'll make is from the ARC port on the rear of the monitor directly into the input port on the product. And now I can connect my two sound bars up to the output ports. I have two high-speed HDMI cables connected to the ARC ports on both of these sound bars, and I'll plug those into the output number 1 and output number 2, and all I need at this point is power. I've already plugged in the power supply. The other end of that cable has a barrel connection on it which plugs directly into the DC input port. Takes a second to recognize the ARC signal. It's going to recognize that it has two ARC products plugged in, and in a second you'll hear the audio move over here. You can see the monitor's already recognized it, and there you go. You're listening to both of those sound bars at the same time, playing the audio that came from that ARC connection on your monitor. And what's nice about this is the product is compliant with both ARC sources and eARC sources, so you can mix and match a wide variety of different audio devices on the output of this. And the key is you're splitting that single ARC or eARC signal into two outputs so you can use two products at the same time. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI eARC-201 2-port eARC splitter helpful. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to connect any HDMI media stream that's either ARC or eARC compliant to two different soundbars, two home stereos, or two amplifier systems at the same time. It fully supports both the older ARC standard and the newer eARC standard, so it works well with a wide range of modern media equipment. It also provides full CEC pass-through, which means you can use a single remote control to adjust the output volume on both of your audio devices. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.